In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to change the language on GitHub. Whether you're looking to switch to a language that you're more comfortable with or simply want to try something new, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your GitHub account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to open up the user drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to various settings and options that GitHub offers. Next, look for the option labeled Settings in the drop-down menu and give it a click. By doing this, you'll be taken to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your GitHub experience. You'll notice a sidebar on the left side of the screen. This is your navigation tool for accessing different settings categories. In this sidebar, under the Access section, you'll see an option called Appearance. Click on Appearance, and this will lead you to a section where you can modify how GitHub looks and feels for you. It's a useful place to explore if you want to change themes or visual settings, but for now, we're focusing on the language settings. As you scroll down the Appearance page, you'll come across the Language section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu that lists the languages supported by GitHub. The languages include English, Simplified Chinese, Japanese, and Brazilian Portuguese. GitHub is always evolving, so keep an eye out for additional languages in the future. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal your options. Simply select the language you prefer. Once you've made your choice, the page will automatically refresh. This refresh is crucial as it applies your new language setting across the entire GitHub portal. It's a seamless transition that instantly updates all the text you see on the site to your chosen language. And there you have it. Your GitHub interface is now in the language of your choice, making it easier for you to navigate and use the platform effectively. Remember, you can always change it back or try a different language anytime by following these same steps. If you have multiple accounts or work in different environments, it might be helpful to get accustomed to these settings. This way, you can quickly adjust the language settings whenever necessary. Whether you're a developer collaborating on international projects or just someone who prefers a different language, knowing how to change the language on GitHub is a handy skill. Thank you for watching this guide on changing the language on GitHub. We hope it helped make your GitHub experience a little more personalized. If you found this video useful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy coding!